Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the supplementary, the apple tree and the farmer. In this lesson, we are going to see how a small girl tried to stop the father cut down an apple tree. Now, let us see the lesson. This story and his apple tree. One day there lived a farmer in a village. Up up the hills beside a forest. In this in his farm he grew many kinds of vegetables and he also had an apple trees. For many years he and his family enjoyed the tastiest apples from the tree. His friends played around the apple tree and his in season plucked and ate the apples. As the years passed, the boy grew into a man and looked after the farm and continued to enjoy the apples from the tree. Meantime, many small birds and animals started living in the tree. The farmer's daughter and her friends started playing under the large shady apple tree. Now the apple tree grew old and was bearing less fruit. It was nice to sit under its shade in summer, but nothing grew under it. So the farmer felt the space could be used to grow vegetables and the wood can be used to build a new room in his house. Therefore, he decided to cut the tree. He forgot that he spent his childhood by playing and climbing the tree and eating the delicious apple. He forgot his animal friends too. He began to chop the tree as soon as started chopping the tree harder. All the little animals became desperate and wanted to protect themselves and the apple tree at any cost. They ran around in circles, making a huge commotion. The farmer's daughter and her friends began to plead him. They said, "Please don't cut the tree. We want to play just like you did. These small animals live here. If you cut the tree, where will they go? You can enjoy the shade with you began did. It is a beautiful tree." The farmer ignored and he raised his axe. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed something shiny in the apple tree. There was a small apple's fruit. He tasted it and it was very delicious. Suddenly, the farmer remembers his childhood. He felt happy just by eating the fruit. The children spoke in unison. The bee would provide honey. The squirrel would share nuts and the birds would sing many songs. The farmer realized that the apple tree in a home to many animals and his childhood memory came rushing back. The farmer put down his axe and understood that the tree was home to many lovely animals and provided them with delicious fruits. He promised his daughter, saying, "I promise that I will never cut this tree. You and your friends will have your tree and your playground." Dear children, I hope you all are understood the lesson. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.